on Henry's How-Tos. I'm going to show you how to make poached eggs. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is bring a saucepan or a pot, depending on how many you want to make up to the boil. And we're going to season this with just a pinch of salt. And I'm also going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. And you just want to lower your heat just until you have a gentle boil, not so vigorous. And all we're going to do is crack our eggs straight in. Just like that. So in my case, I'm just going to do 4 eggs. So guys, the white vinegar itself keeps the water stable and will keep the egg whites together. So all we want to do is cook this for about, I'd say 2.5 to 3 minutes, depends how well you want it. If you want it on the easy side, go about 2.5 minutes. If you want it more on the well cooked side, go about 3.5. But remember, it's poached eggs, not hard boiled eggs, so don't go over. Alright guys, so I'm just at the 2.5 minute mark now. So let's just have a quick check. So you can see from the outside it is cooked. And it's still nice and soft, you don't want it to be too firm. So to take it out, I'm using a slotted spoon. Drain that excess water and we'll plate it. Alright guys, and we'll just finish it up with some fresh chopped chives, or parsley, or whatever you want. But I guess now the most important part, let's cut into it. And just look at that. So guys, that's all there is to it. Don't fall for all these ridiculous gadgets that they're inventing, like microwave cookers or stovetop cookers, whatever. All you need is water and vinegar. I even see some chefs, they put the egg into cling wrap and they boil it like that. It's just absolutely not necessary. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.